We all want to be great, don't we? Nothing's wrong with that, but here's the kicker. A lot of us don't want to be or don't know how to be humble. And yet, practicing humility is a cornerstone of true greatness. It's about recognizing that while you have strengths and achievements, there's always more to learn and others who can teach and inspire you. I so believe that humility opens the doors to deeper connections, more authentic relationships, and continuous growth. And when you stay humble, you remain grounded, you remain approachable and open to new ideas. And it allows you to appreciate the contribution of others, learn from feedback, and stay focused on your journey without arrogance. So I say, embrace humility as a strength. Celebrate your successes, yes, but remember to lift others up and acknowledge the role that they play in your journey. You see, humility is not about diminishing your achievements. Not at all. I don't believe that for a second. It's about staying connected and grateful and always striving to be the best or your best. I think that when you practice humility, you create a positive impact that inspires and elevates others around you. Keep on pushing.